Hi guys, welcome to Miracles Library. So in this channel we teach both science and art subjects. Not only that, we also make these subjects very easy to comprehend or understand. Before we go into this video, I would love you to smash the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so that anytime or when we post a video here on YouTube, you will be notified. So in today's video we'll be talking about the topic gas laws. We have 8 gas laws. So in this video we'll be explaining 2 of the gas laws. Then in our next videos we'll be talking about the other laws of the gas. So before we start the video proper, I would love you to pick up a pen and a paper to write down some important things I will be saying in this video. Boyle's law. Boyle's law states that the volume of a given mass of gas is inversely proportional to its pressure, provided the temperature is constant. So take note that in Boyle's law, temperature is always constant. It is represented by a formula V. The formula is just P1V1 is equals to what? P2V2. So that is just a formula. Just take note of this particular one. Other ones are just irrelevant, but this one is the main one. P1V1 is equals to what? P2V2. You can still take note of others, but this one is the most important here. So now, example, a given mass of gas of pressure 120 Newton per meter square occupies a volume of 30 cm cube. What will be the pressure exerted when the volume rises to 90 cm cube? So just for this is an example of what Boyle's law. Let's solve some problem on Boyle's law. So it's where P, this is solution, where P1 is equals to 120, then V1 is equals to 30 cm cube, P2 is unknown, V2 is what? 90 cm cube. Therefore P2 is equals to P1 V1 all over V2. This is the formula we are using in this video. So then we go to the next law, which is known as Charles' law. So what is Charles' law all about? Charles' law states that the volume of a given mass of gas is directly proportional to its temperature in Kelvin, provided pressure remains constant. Take note, in Charles' law, pressure always remains constant. Then in Boyle's law, temperature remains constant. So this is the formula for Charles' law. It is what? V1 all over T1 equals to V2 T2. Then note, this is the other part. This is the most important part. Converting Celsius into Kelvin. So converting Celsius into Kelvin is what? You must add 273. That is just the value you add to convert Celsius into Kelvin. So that is it. Then when converting Kelvin into Celsius, you have to minus. Hope you are getting my point. So example, a given mass of gas occupies volume of 50 cm cube at temperature of 27 degrees centigrade. At what temperature will the volume occupied be at 100 cm cube? So in this particular question, now look at, you can see 27 degrees centigrade. So before you can continue the solving, you have to convert it to what? Kelvin. Converting it to Kelvin, you will do what? You will add 273 to this 27 so that you can remove that degrees centigrade. Then before you can start solving. I don't know if you're getting my point. Just take note that before you can solve anything in this Boyle's law, so far you see that degree centigrade, you have to convert it to Kelvin before what? You can continue your solving. So let's take the solution. You can see, say example, V1 all over T1 equals to V2 all over T2, where V1 is 50 cm cube, T1 is 27 degrees centigrade. Then you can see this 27 degrees centigrade, you have to convert it to Kelvin by adding the 273. That is the constant you must add before you convert it to what? Kelvin. Then is equal to what? 300 Kelvin. So V2 is equal to 100 cm cube. Therefore T2 is equal to what? V2 T2 all over V1. So in this particular question, this is the formula we are going to use. Then what is V2 is 100, T2 is what? 300, V1 is what? 50. Answer is what? 600 Kelvin. Very simple and easy. So now I would love us to stop here for this video and continue from here another day. Do not forget to comment, like, and subscribe to this channel so that whenever we post a video here on YouTube, you will be notified, and so that YouTube would push our videos to interested students that wants to learn chemistry, physics, just a brief idea, like we just share brief knowledge on these topics and subjects. So thanks for watching.